Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the front strut on a Fiat 500. This is a brand new one. We got it. It's original part. As you can see, it says 1 channel for Romeo and Fiat. And we're going to demonstrate on the left side, on the driver's side, but it will be identical for the passenger side as well. Ours has a bent strut and it's making a noise when you hit a bump. So what you need to do, you need to open the hood. Next thing, you need to make sure that you get your lug nuts loose, but don't take them off all the way. Just get them loose. And what you need to do now, you need to make sure that the jack is down, but have it ready right there, because it's a little bit of a complicated procedure on that thing. And now we need to start from the top. Right here there is a nut with 19mm socket, and if you cannot take it with a socket, you can use a box wrench with Allen wrench to prevent it from spinning. So we're going to take this one off now first. Usually they're not very tight, so, and make sure that you spray some WD-40 or rust penetrating, because they tend to rust here on top very bad. Okay, we got the nut loose all the way. And after you remove the nut, you can just pull that cover right here, all the way out. Okay, now you need to jack the side up and put the jack stand. Always safety first, don't rely on the jack itself. And we need to remove the wheel off. Of course, the 4 lug nuts, just take them off all the way now. Now we need to remove that link right here, suspension link. This is a 16mm nut, and if it starts spinning freely, you need to use the Allen wrench here and the regular wrench. But as you can see, most of the times you can just do it with the socket or a little impact or just the ratchet itself. Now what we need to do, we need to get a pry bar, and you need to go right there, pry, and you take the pressure off of it and pull it out on the side and let the thing go. Now just careful not to hit the car. Next thing that we need to do, there is 2 nuts that we need to take here and here with a 17mm socket, and those are usually pretty tight, so you need to use a big extension to do that, break over bar or a big ratchet, and just take all the way off, both of them. Okay guys, we took the nuts off all the way. Now you need to remove that's the sensor, the ABS sensor. You just pull it out of the groove, and now you need to lift up a little bit and push the bolts out of there. Okay, one by one, just be careful. Okay, pull it out. As you can see, this is the second one, and now you should be able just to move it out of the bracket. Okay, now you can see the brake line is right here, so we need to remove that spring right there. That's preventing it from getting off the bracket. So you need to use the pliers, grab one end up, move it, and it comes out of there like that. And now you just pull it out of the shock. You can use just a little bit of the screwdriver to help you pry it out of the hole. It's usually pretty tight. Probably will be more convenient to do that before you remove the bolt, so the shock will not be moving everywhere. Okay, we go it back and forth and it will come out, and now you're ready to pull the whole strut assembly out of there. Okay guys, next thing all we need to do, if you're just doing the whole assembly replacement, that's it. You just put it back together the same way we took it apart, but we have another video you can find in the description below or on our channel, how to actually swap the spring on the new strut, because this way it's cheaper. The springs are usually good for a long time. The strut is the one that they often go bad. So check it out on our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.